Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and you are at the Lopsided Crafter. Grab yourself something to drink, sit back for a spell, and let's talk about all of our yarny goodness and creation. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica and I'm doing this quick little video before I go meet Carrie. Now all this is going to be out of whack because you're actually going to see more than likely the video that my yarn haul with Carrie before you see this one, and y'all know how it goes. But I have been posting pictures of my newest design over on Instagram. I've gotten a lot of suggestions for her name, but she's now done and ready for testing. Just in case you haven't seen it on Instagram. Oh, maybe I shouldn't show you. Nah, I'm just kidding. Here she is. I'm not, like I said, I'm not sure yet what I'm going to name her, but she is a bat. I've had suggestions, I hang upside down, rainbow, Beulah the bat, Bataline. Yeah. But she definitely is ready to go into the testing phase. The wings were made separately and seamed together and then attached to the body. The ears are attached. I did use safety eyes for this one, but I also include in the pattern crochet eyes. And then the legs are done separate and seamed here on the bottom, just so they can sit. The way that I designed this particular body is that if you wanted to put any kind of weight, you know, like maybe a Ziploc of rice or something like that, something to sit in it. Obviously, if you're going to do that and put the safety eyes, then it would not be for a child. So please keep that in mind if you get this pattern once it goes live, that those are safety things that you need to keep in mind when giving to a small child. But anyway, she is ready for testing, and as usual, it's just a little bit easier to do it that way. The link for the application is in my Instagram. It is in my bio. I will also put the link below. I think that it works more than just on Instagram, because you know it's one of those like Instagram things. Yeah, I'm making no sense at all. It's early. But anyway, I am so happy with how she came out. What do you guys want to see next? My shark is in testing, and now my bat is going to go in testing. So, what's next? Y'all tell me. All right. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for everybody who is testing my patterns. I really, truly appreciate it. So, until next time, happy crocheting, happy knitting, and happy looming. Bye. Thanks for joining us on the Lopsided Crafter. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. We really, truly appreciate it. Until next time, happy knitting, happy looming, and happy crocheting. Bye.